Let's see. How you doing, Facebook? This is Norm. I was sitting here tonight, and my son actually, he was wondering, Dad, why do you use all this stuff and all this different ingredients? But there's some things that you must have. Why are they? And I thought to myself, you know what? Let me make a video and see if this pops. Let me see. Let me show you guys the 5 things that I guess I just can't live without. My first one is mustard. My mustard, yeah, mustard. I use it. I use it on everything. I use it on seasoning, my hot dogs, my hamburgers, my sausages. I mean, it's a must. It's something you must have. I guess at my age, why not? Right? This is my number one thing. My mustard. Right? Gotta have it. Gotta have it. Number two, you have mustard, right? Well, you gotta have something to drink as well, right? So this is my go-to right here. Big Red. You got to have the Big Red, right? Yes. Okay. But a lot of people might like Dr. Pepper, root beer, Sprite, Coke, but I like Big Red. I mean, I know it's not good for you, but I like it. I gotta have it. Okay. That's my number two thing. My number three thing is my back scratcher, right? You gotta have a back scratcher, right? Get those hard to reach places, just get where you can, get in where you fit in, you know, just maybe might have an idea. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry, guys. Having too much fun with my back scratcher. All right, that was my number three thing. My number four thing, and I hope you're still following along with me, is my Normwizer. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to be showing this and probably even drinking it, but Normwizer. And this happened probably just the last couple of years, just having some things pop up, drinking some Normwizers, sometimes at parties, graduations, retirements, birthdays, um, pretty much car shows, anything you can think of. Got to have a Normwizer. Yeah. And the last and final thing, which is my number five thing that I think everybody should have, and really what I have, is a remote. Yes, you got to have a remote. This is important, guys, because one, all you got to do is point and click, right? If not, you'd have to get up, change the station, get up, turn on the volume, get up, get up, get up. Not this guy. This is a must. This is my number five thing. It's a remote. And actually, it's built in with Netflix, Disney, Hulu, Prime, all kinds of other neat gadgets. You got to have this. So, those are my top five things, guys, that I must have. And thanks to my son, I came up with this brilliant idea for this good video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like. I hope you guys are still with me. Um, if you guys like, I'll put out more video, man. I'll put out more stuff. But those are just the 5 things that I like and I must have. This is Norm, man. Signing out. Peace.